That's just too much carbon fiber, said no one ever. Hey, what's up YouTube world? It's Ryan from Riding in Style. Today I'm going to actually do a couple of installs on some carbon fiber trim that I actually bought for the inside of the Hellcat. I'm still waiting for a couple of pieces to come in, so I don't know if I'm going to make one video or maybe just two separate ones, but I love carbon fiber, and when you find a good quality product and not one of the generic ones, you know, I find that it adds a nice classy touch to the vehicle, as long as it kind of goes along with your theme and not just adding all kinds of random things. If you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to provide a bonus tip when it comes to modding and styling your vehicle that I've learned over the years. So make sure you stay tuned to the end for that free bonus tip. I mean, just look at all that carbon fiber waiting to be installed. I think it's going to add a nice touch to the interior. The Hellcat comes with a lighter gray, almost like an ash color carbon fiber trim on the dash already. So we'll see how this all looks once it's installed. Let's get started. So one of the pieces that we're going to add a little carbon fiber trim is just around this little thing, and then around the doorknob. This is of the back driver's side door. So this is what it looks like stock, and then we'll see what it looks like once we install some trim. Little trick is before you actually remove the adhesive backing that comes with it, just kind of soft place it where it's going to go, just to make sure that once the adhesive is exposed, it's pretty unforgiving. So you want to make sure that you know exactly how it goes before removing this red tape there. Just started pouring raining as I decided to film this video. As you can see, it started to get a little wet as I was right out there in my driveway. So that's one of the beautiful things of having an enclosed garage. But anyway, to prepare the surface, I might have to change some lighting. I just take a little Clorox wipe there and just add a little bit of wipe there. I've already removed the red tape, so now we're just going to put it there and let it set. Check the knob, make sure it doesn't impede. There we go. Press it down firm. I actually think it looks pretty good so far. As far as the back seat, driver and passenger side, they are opposite, so we'll see which way they fit. Let's kind of do like a soft test here. Stick that through the opening. Oops. Okay, so that's what it looks like stock, just the normal black plastic trim. And then we add the carbon fiber right there. What do y'all think so far? Wow, this is like a precision fit. It covers all of the black when fitted properly. Wow, I'm actually pretty impressed. And it's also a gloss finish, which I find, if you all know me, I find it's I have a soft spot for something nice and glossy. And this is good quality. I mean, so far I've just installed this back driver side door window thing there and the door handle. Ooh, this is going to be nice. So now moving to the front driver's side door. It's got this little air vent up here. Just gonna prepare all the different surfaces. If any of you decide to go this route and add some of these carbon fiber trims to your interior, so the one for this vent, it's made where one side is thicker than the other. And there is a right and a wrong way. So to get a flush fit, just make sure you pay attention to those little details. Make sure it's on right where you want it. And wow, I don't know. This is just it's just a little thing, but for some reason, it's looking better than I thought it would. Actually, I mean, I'm happy with it so far. So just to give you an idea, I mean, it is plastic as a whole, and then there's like this the carbon fiber starts right around here. So I don't know if it's, I mean, it's a durable material for sure. I don't know if it's like a PVC or something, but it's got a nice gloss finish, as you can already kind of see the reflection there, and the precision cut. I mean, these things are made, these weren't cheap. Like on average, I think they were around somewhere between $20 to $45 for like they came in different sets depending on what you're trying to do. So yeah, these were not cheap. If anyone's interested in doing something like this to your car, leave a comment below. Let me know. I can go and fish out the company or the link. I can provide a link as well. I know they have it in this dark gray carbon fiber as well as red. I didn't want to go with too much red. I think it would just be overkill. And this is kind of a nice subtle, plus it's the original carbon fiber image here. And as I was saying earlier, you can really see how perfect, like laser cut, the finish is with that gloss finish. I don't know about you guys, unless you have something against gloss, I just find that this looks classy. It looks elegant. It doesn't look cheap. So just be careful not to buy any of the cheaper brands that may try to replicate. If I'm not mistaken, this is like an American company and they delivered. So that's what we did so far on the front driver's side door. Now we're just going to put this piece on. Wow. What do you guys think so far? You think it looks pretty good? Like I said, it's subtle. It kind of blends in with the door, but you know, for those of, if you're anything like me, once you go into someone else's car, you kind of start to notice the attention to detail that's provided. And the reason I'm kind of documenting all these little changes is because, you know, I want to see it as in a transformation of what it used to look like before. And just adding these things, I mean, I find that it just looks, sometimes I like to do a little comparison just to see like the before and the after, you know, what it looks like. Oops, sorry about that. What it kind of looks like stock. From that to this, because once they're put on, there is no more comparison. It's just, you see what you see. Kind of subtle, like you don't notice it when you first open the door. But I think for me, like now that they're being installed, the next time that I come back to my car, it might catch me by surprise. You ever have that happen to you? You do something, you forget about it. That's it. Smooth, easy. For the sake of time, I have already got these prepped, so I am just going to put them on. Oh, there we go. So you guys are seeing the transition in real time. And for this one, it goes this way. This is the front passenger seat. And just like that. I'm happy with it, guys. I mean, this is for the door trim. I may have to do another video for the sake of time on when the rest of the other trim comes in to show you folks what that's going to look like. But what do you guys think? You think this is a nice little subtle touch to add to the interior? Leave your comment below if you enjoyed this video. Let me know it. And even if you didn't enjoy this video, let me know it. I'll pretend to listen. I'm just kidding. Thank you for watching this short video. This is Ryan from Riding in Style.
Yeah.